Have you ever felt confused when your boss said a plan wasn't carved in stone? It sounds like they are talking about building a house or an ancient monument, doesn't it? Today, we will learn why this idiom is so helpful for your daily English conversations. Meet Tom. His friend said their dinner plans were not carved in stone. Tom thought he needed to grab a tool and literally carve the time into the bench. Of course, his friend just meant that they could still change the time if needed. When we say something is carved in stone, we mean it is final and cannot be changed. It is a figurative way to say a decision is permanent, just like a message in a rock. This phrase comes from ancient times when laws were literally carved into stone to last forever. Now, let's see the correct way to use it. Sarah's boss said the budget is final. He told her, the numbers for this project are carved in stone. Sarah understood perfectly. She knew she could not ask to spend more money because the decision was finished. Here are some examples. The date for the wedding is carved in stone. This means it won't change. Or you could say, the rules of the game are not carved in stone. This means they can be updated. To remember this, think of an eraser. You can erase pencil marks, but you cannot erase stone. Stone means it stays. Paper means it might change. Simple as that. Fun fact, King Hammurabi of Babylon carved 282 laws into a giant stone pillar. Some old stories even say the original tablets of laws were made of blue sapphire. Today we use this idiom in business mostly to say a plan is not carved in stone yet. Similar phrases are set in stone or written in stone. The opposite is written in sand. You might also hear cast in iron. This also means something is very solid and final. Don't say carved on stone. We always use the word in, carved in stone. Only use it for big decisions, not small things like what you will eat for lunch. Quick quiz. What does not carved in stone mean? Is it A, B, or C? Take a moment. The answer is B. It means the plan can still change. Great job if you got it right. So remember, carved in stone means a decision is final. It helps you talk about plans clearly. Have you ever had a plan that was carved in stone? Tell me in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe or support us with super thanks. See you in the next video.